They're the world's tallest autonomous robots. So they're the size of a warehouse rack. They're about 12.5 meters tall, which gives them the ability as they pass through the warehouse to scan everything in one swift go, in one swift pass. So they have a number of cameras, they have a number of laser measurement systems on them, and this gives them the ability to create a digital copy of the rack and really understand how goods are being kept, how efficiently the pallet space is being utilized, and basically it helps the warehouse operators to run their facility in the most efficient in the most efficient way. So basically, the robot will fire all these points from its LiDAR sensors, will look at where it is in the warehouse. So it will understand where it is in relationship to the environment. So it allows it to stay localized. And it will update its previous map. So it will look and perceive the surroundings and say, hey, things have changed, but now I can make a new model. I can make a new 3D copy of the environment. So now I have an updated map. The artificial intelligence that we embed inside the device allows it to operate without any kind of intervention required. So it will go around forklifts, it will seamlessly navigate in busy warehouses, but also other types of algorithms and machine learning systems that we have allow us to transform the data the robots collect into actionable insights. So we extract information from the LiDAR, from the laser measurement data, from the machine vision systems, and we can offer immediate actions that you can take to run the space to make the warehouse more efficient.
The main benefit is a single source of the truth and utilizing the technology at the front end in terms of capturing using cameras, having the ability to add to the solution so we can capture temperature monitoring, Wi-Fi coverage, heat mapping, all these various different things that can integrate to that digital twin, allow us to have the single source of that truth and then utilize that data for an insight. It's far too easy to have lots of data and get lost in the world of how do I interpret this? And the really clever part of what they've delivered for us is that ability for us to drop in different ways. We can see either in a data format, we can see a summary format, we can see visual images as well. So it allows us using that digital twin to really bring to life what's happening and make decisions based upon visual. And that is massively important in this environment. No, I don't think it's replacing humans. I think the reality is, if you take what the core case behind it is, which is, understanding your inventory and validating your inventory on a daily basis, that requires people and it requires equipment. And the big challenge becomes in peak periods where, you know, volume becomes massively important. Are those people and equipment still available to do the work? So that started our journey in how we did that. But actually, the reality is we haven't replaced, because we're not doing a like for like. We're not giving a customer once a month, we count your stock as maybe the requirement. We're doing it every day. So we're not replacing something, we're actually enhancing it. And that means that for our colleagues, it's positive, because when they go to a location, they have faith that the location has the product in it. Therefore, they see the benefit of working alongside the robot, and it becomes a positive influence on the working environment.
We did everything we could to remove adoption barriers. So this doesn't come with a very high capital investment cost. It's very much targeted and tailored around the monthly subscription. As you benefit from the service, as you benefit from the value that the technology brings, it's obviously a cost per month that customers need to pay to subscribe to the software platform.